Sunlight is the original force of life, the original chi. When you want to take the nutrients into your body that are going to give you power, you're gathering that chi. A tomato, a ripe green pepper, a ripe persimmon, they have gathered the chi. They've gathered that sunlight. A kale leaf has gathered that sunlight. When we eat that, we're gathering that sunlight into the body, and then in the stomach meridian we call the spleen meridian, it is broken down and that chi is invested into the blood. So the chi winds up in our blood. How does sunlight wind up in our blood? I wrote a book called Raw Chi about this. You can get it on Amazon. What kind of chi are you gathering? Are you gathering real sunlight? Have you just gathered a ripe persimmon, a salad? You took the time to masticate and salivate so that you digest it properly? Or did you gather pancakes? You know, what kind of sunlight are you gathering? How much chi is in it?
Yes.
That turns into your energy, of your daily energy, and some of that resonates down to your kidneys to be held as your life force for later in your life, or when you're under stress, or if you have an accident, how quickly you heal. That chi is being held in your kidneys as an energy called Jing. This is your life force that you are then going to pass on to your progeny. And so we need to gather that and then cultivate and store those energies for the sake of future generations. And then we live long, vibrant, and youthful lives. We attain longevity. Gather chi and hold it as Jing. When we feel comfortable like that, we resonate the light and we resonate what we call Shen. Our lives become fortunate. You can do this. Even if you feel you've been drained by the world out there and their self-serving, short-sighted interests and the inadvertent and accidental compliance with all that by your ancestors and maybe by yourself during younger years, you can begin to reverse all that. You can get your adventure.